exciting because we got to really work on it as a whole, from the exterior right through to the interior. This is so rewarding because it's a really involved process to make it look like it's not just a renovation, it's really a cohesive interior and exterior redesign of a home, making it look like it's brand new. The original house was a more traditional farmhouse look. We were able to create a much more contemporary look while still working with the original architectural elements. Renovations are kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. Redesigning the front of this house, we really had to look at what would fit where. So when the client first talked to us about this project, the main goal was to create more of a focal point for the entryway. The entryway actually used to be tucked around here where you see this tall window. So we've relocated it, creating more of a grand front entrance that really gives a wow factor when you drive onto the property. With the interior space plan working out the way that it did, the new location of the front entry just made the interior and the exterior flow so much better together. We also had to redesign the roof line to incorporate the new front entry location. We did new siding, new windows, new doors, and then a new roof as well. We're absolutely thrilled with the way the exterior design turned out. The house has amazing drama with its black and white contrast. Driving up to the property is so much more impressive now with its amazing curb appeal.